Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning all of you, my dear 5th class students. Today discuss about time from your course book volume 2. Okay? See Nana, today discuss about 24-hour clock. So I am writing at the blackboard the given information. So this is midnight. This is 3 o'clock. This is 3 o'clock. Here 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. See here beta, this is 24-hour clock. See here, 00 midnight, so it can be written as 00 hours and also 12. See here, see, early morning 3 o'clock, morning 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, midday 12 o'clock, 15 o'clock, 18 o'clock, 21 o'clock and again midnight. So this is the 24 hours clock format. See here, this is 12 o'clock midnight. So 24-hour clock it can be start from 0 hours. 12 hours clock start from 12. Next early morning 3 o'clock, morning 6 o'clock, this is 9 o'clock, midday 12 o'clock. Afternoon means afternoon after 3 o'clock, evening 6 o'clock, night 9 o'clock and again midnight 12 o'clock. See here, this is the 24-hour clock. It can be written as 0 to 24 hours. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour like that only. So up to 12 hours and also 24 hours. See, 0 hours to 12 hours is known as midnight to midday, midday to and midnight, 12 to 24. See here, this is the 24 hours clock timing, and here midnight 12 o'clock to noon, midday 12 o'clock is known as AM. AM means anti-meridian. Now next, afternoon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock is known as PM. See here, post-meridian. Now here, 12 AM means 12 midnight, 3 AM early morning, 3 AM. Next, 6 o'clock AM. 6 o'clock AM means morning AM. 9 o'clock AM, morning AM. See here, this is 12. Before 12 you can write AM. After 12 you can write PM. See here, 12 PM, 3 PM. 3 PM means, so afternoon 12 after. Now next 3 PM after, see 15 hours, this is 24 hours timing, 3 o'clock PM. So then you can write 3 PM. Means 24 hour clock, see here 15 hours. 15 hours it can be written as in 12 o'clock, that is 3 PM. See here 24 hours clock, 18 hours it can be written as 6 PM. And also 21 hours, this is the 24 hours clock, it can be written as 12 hours clock, 9 PM. Now next, midnight. So here let us see a couple of digital clocks which show the times of two analog clocks in 24-hour format. See evening. Evening here 5. 5 means it can be written as 24 hours o'clock, 5 PM, 5 o'clock. It can be written as 12 plus 5, you can get 17. So 17 hours. Night better 11 o'clock. See, night 11 o'clock PM. This is the 12 o'clock hours. It can be written as 24 hours clock, means this is PM. So 12 is added to 11, you can get 23. Very good. 23 PM. Just you can add to 12 hours. You can get 24-hour clock beta. Now next, calculating the duration. Very very important. Listen carefully. Page number 11. See here. Calculating the duration. Ramani practices singing for 1 hour 45 minutes in the morning and 1 hour 20 minutes in the evening. How much time does she practice singing every day? First, did you understand the problem? Ramani practices singing for 1 hour 45 minutes in the morning and 1 hour 20 minutes in the evening. So how much does she practice singing every day? See here solution. Listen carefully everybody. Total time spent for singing practice every day you can find out. You can find out total hours. Total hours for singing practice every day. See here, total time spent for singing practice every day. See here, that is first one is Ramani practices singing for 1 hour 45 minutes in the morning. So you can write 1 hour 45 minutes plus again 1 hour 20 minutes in the evening. So then you can add 1 hour 20 minutes. See here, you can write this like only 1 hour plus 45 minutes plus 1 hour plus 20 minutes. Then you can write here hours column and also minutes column better. See here, 1 hour 45 minutes, next one evening 1 hour 20 minutes. Listen carefully. First, you can add minutes column. You can add a minutes column. So that is 45 minutes plus 20 minutes. You can get 45 plus 20, 65 minutes better. But 65 minutes don't write here because 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. Then you can write 65 minutes. It can be written as 60 minutes plus 5 minutes. See here, 5 minutes, 60 minutes it can be written as 1 hour plus 5 minutes, you can write 0.5 minutes better. Then 0.5 minutes write minutes column of the given problem. Then you can write here 0.5 minutes. Next 1 hour, this is carry over to hours column. Carry over to hours column. So you can write 1 is carry. Then add it 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. How much time she is taken for singing? Every day 3 hours 5 minutes. Did you understand? So you can write here. Therefore, write down Ramani practices singing for shortcut 3 hours 5 minutes every day. Write down everybody. Right soon beta. Now next. Observe the class carefully to calculate the duration. The time in the first clock is 8 o'clock beta. This is. The time in the second clock is 9:30. See here, the hours hand it can represent number 8 and also the minutes hand it represents number 12. So it can be written as 8 o'clock. Then second one is the hours hand represents number 9 and also the minutes hand represents number 6. 6 means 30 minutes completed. 6 is multiplied by 5, you can get 30 minutes. See here, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, 60 minutes. See here, the time taken for the hours hand to move from 8 to 9 o'clock, 1 hour. See, and the time taken for the minutes hand to moving 9 to, so the minutes hand to move from 9 to 9:30 is 30 minutes. Means the minutes hand represents at number 6 in this clock. Then 6 is multiplied with 5. You can get 30 minutes better. So the calculate total duration of the time, that is supposed to see here. See, first clock. The time start from starting time what beta here? Starting time 8. Now ending time 9:30. Ending time now 30. How much time taken? See here. This is hours, this is minutes. So you can write columns. 8 hours is subtracted from 9:30. So ending time. Then you can write 9:30, 8 o'clock. See here 0 minus 0, 0, 3 minus 0, 3, 9 minus 8 you can get 1. So what is the duration of time? 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. So here duration of time. Duration of time, that is equals to 1 hour 30 minutes better. Did you understand everybody? So now next listen carefully. Page number 12. A train starts from Hyderabad at 7:25 in the morning. Means 7:25 a.m. It reaches Vizag in the evening at 4:55. That is evening. How much time does train take to reach Vizag? This is very very important problem. Listen carefully better. A train starts from Hyderabad at 7:25 in the morning. Means a.m. It reaches Vizag in the evening at 4:55. Means p.m. How much time does the train take to reach Vizag? Everybody write down in your CW. Question write down. See here, duration of journey. Solution. That is equals to arrival time. Arrival time means reaching time data. At the destination minus starting time of the train. See here, starting time of the train, that is equals to 7:25 a.m. So it can be written as 7 hours 25 minutes. Now next, arrival time of the train. That is equals to 4:55 p.m. It can be written as 4:55 p.m. This is 12 hours clock format. It can be written as 24-hour clock format, means 12 plus 4, 16 hours 55 minutes better. Now we can find out duration of time. Here hours, here minutes. So 7 hours 25 minutes is subtracted from 16 hours 55 minutes. Can you write? Five minus 5 0, 5 minus 2 3, 6 minus 7 not possible, take borrowing 16, 16 minus 7 9 rate. So therefore duration of time, that is equals to 9 hours 30 minutes. Write down everybody. Now next one, see beta. Anil's sister is 12 years 5 months old. Anil's sister is 12 years 5 months old. Anil is 4 years 6 months younger to his sister. Younger to his sister. How old is Anil? See here, student beta, Anil's sister 12 years 5 months old. Anil wala sister యొక్క వయసు ఎంత బేటా? Here what is the age? 12 years 5 months. But Anil is 4 years 6 months younger to his sister. 4 years 6 months తన అక్క కంటే చిన్నవాడు. See here. How old is Anil? Anil యొక్క వయసు ఎంత? What is the age of Anil? So this is very very important. Listen carefully beta. Write down everybody. Problem in your CW. See here, solution. Look at the blackboard, everybody. Anil's sister is 12 years 5 months old. Anil is 4 years, listen carefully, 6 months younger to his sister. See here, once compare, here 12 years 5 months, here 4 years 6 months better. So first you can compare years 12 4, so it is possible to subtract. Here 5 months 6 months. See here how you can do it. Now first you can write Anil's age. So Anil's age, that is equals to, you can write 12 years, listen carefully, 12 years 5 months. Now here minus 4 years 6 months. See here beta, 12 years 5 months, 4 years 6 months. See here, 5 minus 6 possible, not possible. So I have to take 1 year borrow from 12. So it can be written as, once again, borrow to this no beta, 12. So it can last 1 year, then 12 becomes 11 years. Listen carefully, it can be written as 12 years. 12 plus 5, you can get 17 months minus 4 years 6 months. See here, 17 minus 6, you can get what beta? See here, 7 minus 6, 1, 1. Now here, 11 minus 4, 11 minus 4 you can get 7. So the present age of Anil, that is equals to 7 years 11 months. Therefore Anil's age, that is equals to 7 years 11 months. Okay beta, today your class is completed. Thank you to all.